In this video, we're going to look at the COUNTA function in Excel. COUNTA is used when you want to count how many cells are not empty. It's different from the COUNT function, which only looks for numbers. COUNTA just checks if there's anything in a cell. Here, we have a small employee list. Let's say we want to count how many names have been entered into the name column. I'll click into an empty cell and type equals COUNTA, open paren, then our starting cell in the range, in this case A2, then a colon, and then our last cell in the range, in this case A8, and finally we close out with a close paren. Excel returns a number of cells in the range that contain some kind of data. Because one of the names is blank, we get a value of 6. I'm going to go over and I'm going to type this same formula into column B. So again, we do our count, open paren, we set our range, in this case B2 down to B8, and then we do a close paren. We see that the result is 7 due to all cells in here having data. As a final reminder, COUNTA counts any data at all. So if I put a number into A4 up here, we'll see that the function now updates to show that all 7 cells are now being counted. That's one of the ways that it's different from the COUNT function. COUNT only counts numbers. COUNTA counts everything. And that's the COUNTA function. Use COUNTA when you want to count cells that contain anything at all, whether that's text, dates, numbers, or formulas. In the next videos, we'll keep building on these count functions with count blank, count if, and count ifs. If you find these videos useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more easy Excel tips.